Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. Erica finally reveals the kind of man she would like to settle down with, and it's not Laycon or Kiddwaya. Big Brother Naija Bbnaija housemate Erica has revealed the kind of man she would like to settle down with. Erica disclosed that she wants a man with the kind of mind Laycon has and the body build of her love interest Kiddwaya. 26-year-old Bbnaija housemate disclosed this during a conversation with her fellow housemate Bbnaija and V. "How I wish my man to have a combination of Laycon's mind and Kiddwaya's body," she said. Recall that Erica has disclosed that she can't date Laycon despite being mentally attracted to him. Despite making out with Kiddwaya, Erica had broken up with her love interest. She, however, recanted on her decision to dump Kiddwaya, stressing that she can't leave him as long as she sees him all the time in the house. The Bbnaija housemate stated this after they were seen having sex on Sunday night and all loved up at different locations in the house. What do you have to say about this, guys? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.